My next stop in Manila is Rizal Park. Let's see what is waiting for us inside. There is a pool here like that, but unfortunately there is no water. Oh, I think this is the map of Philippines like that. Just near the entry to the park, near the Tourist Information Center, there is paintings on the wall which shows Philippines culture. Philippine culture is demonstrated here. This is another part. This was nice, really. Philippines culture is reflected here on these walls. People is resting under that big tree. That building is National Museum of Natural History. That statue there is the first national hero of Philippines, who is Lapu-Lapu. There is an orchidarium here. Let's get inside. The roots of the trees are really interesting. It would be nice if there is water here. I am now in the other part of Rizal Park. Looking around, it's interesting. There are interesting things that I have never seen. Of course, they all belong to Philippine culture here. So now I am continuing to look around. Behind me is the Chinese garden. Let's get inside and let's see what's inside. Well, the first thing that we see is this beautiful fountains here. Actually, when I came here 3 years ago, people were sleeping inside all over the small chairs or on the ground. Let's see how it is today. They said that now they don't allow people to sleep here. Let's see. This is nice. This is the famous part of this Chinese garden. When I came here 3 years ago, people were sleeping all over those places. Now there are some people still, but they are not sleeping. So only one of them is sleeping here, but there is a big improvement. Okay, this is the Chinese garden. It could be better actually, but the water is dirty. It's not clean. And also, the garden is not clean. That water there is dirty. But still, it's a nice place to have a rest. My next stop is Rizal execution site, and the entrance here is 20 peso for adults and 10 peso for students. they display here how Dr. Jose Rizal was executed in this site. It is really interesting to witness this execution site here of Dr. Jose Rizal. As you see, they show here how Dr. Jose Rizal was executed here. There is even a dog here. Maybe it was belonged to Dr. Jose Rizal. In the evening, after the sunset, there is a dancing fountains light show at the park, so now I am waiting for the show to begin. Meanwhile, let's have a look around. Rizal Park is now full of people. Before the dancing fountains show, there was a beautiful sunset. The day at the Rizal Park ends with a beautiful dancing fountains show. For the dancing fountains show, I will be uploading another video. Please kindly watch it too in my YouTube channel.